I am here behind what used to be a putt-putt golf course. It's pretty big and has lots of cool features, including a bridge, looks like the International Bridge that goes over to Canada, a replica of that. Tower, it's a tower that's actually over in Canada, it's a replica of that, and a freighter. So I'm gonna do a little FPV flying through this abandoned putt-putt golf course, and I'm gonna take you with me, so stay tuned. So if you're new to Ready Set Drone, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and join us. We are doing a lot more FPV content these days, and this is definitely an opportunity to fly in a place that not many people would get to fly in, but looks pretty awesome. So let's get the GEPRC Rocket up in the air and see how it does. I'm hoping you get a sense of the creepiness of this place. It's very kind of like creepy clowns kind of vibe to it. Also wanted to mention another reason why this place is kind of creepy. They have mannequins in the windows of this house, so it looks like there's people in there. The door's open. I'm not going to go in, but you can see what I mean here. Creepy mannequin heads. Okay, so despite the creepy vibes, it was a good place to fly. Lots of cool stuff to fly through. Lots of interesting artifacts from a different time, I suppose. And a little windy, but not too bad, especially if you stayed down low. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to Ready Set Drone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Ah!